So first group, who should we pick? Who? Okay, I'll look over here, this side. Okay. Abigail mo. Abigail, say jara mo. Abigail and a partner hoda sila. Tinku. Abigail at Tinku. Stay dyan and rako mo.
Who should they go against, guys? Let's pick Zing Zing and Tata. Where are they?
Where are they?
Come on.
Where are they?
Tata, Zing Zing, no more. Zing Zing, I see you. Where's Tata? Where's she?
Tata's
Tata?
right next to her.
She's not here? Okay, who? She's not here. Clocloy, Umo. Oh. Okay, Rachel. Come on, Rachel. Hey, you guys are one group, you're in this group.
You guys are going against each other. It's two groups.
Yeah, you're with Rachel.
Okay, so you two are a group, and then Rachel, and then Zing Zing will be a group.
Okay, you have to start here.
You're with Rachel.
Then we're going to say a Bible verse. Run, find the Bible verse. Whoever finds the Bible verse first and reads it.
So, for example, we'll give you guys a random Bible verse, and let's say we picked John through 16. Whoever group finds it first and reads it gets the point or wins. Does that make sense? So you have to reach the Bible quickly and then find the verse, and then whoever finds it first wins. Okay? Okay, so it'll be Zing Zing and Abigail. So, are you guys ready? Okay. So the Bible verse you have to find is Luke chapter 10, verse 3. Go! Chapter 10, verse 3. Zing Zing found it. Whoa, wait. You guys have to...
You have to read it.
Atua ito ulo kal u nani chu cheng hia lak I tu fa thla bantok in kan thla na.
Yeah, let's clap.
Zing Zing
Okay.
Oong. Okay, so group 1, they get the point. And then group 2, it's going to be Rachel and Tinku.
Okay, next Bible verse. Rome chapter 1, verse 1.
Who's going to find it first? Rachel.
Chapter 1, verse 1.
Was it Rachel?
Okay, mani kam hua.
Let's see, read it.
You said Rome 1 what? Kri zisu sale patian ni atongta chimoga atim ia au mi lam kau tu ke ma Paul ni ta kan kwat na.
Wow.
Good job.
Hey.
So, looks like Zing Zing and Rachel won. Let's give them a hand. Okay, the guys.
Next, we're gonna have another group. Who should we invite, guys? Who first? Wait, give me the kids.
Kids, first and boys.
Let's have
Chen,
Chris Umo.
Chris.
Wait, who? And Boite Umo.
Boytail.
Boite. Come on. Are they a team?
Yeah, you two are a team.
You call the second group.
And then, who should we call for the other team? Upapol. Oh, Minno. Minno le in hadakan korit la. Lin. Ban Koop. Okay, let's call Lin. And his partner can be Avil. Okay.
Harmony? Okay. You ready?
In the Old Testament.
Should have got your phone.
So you two groups are gonna go against each other. Yeah, you two are. So the first round, it's gonna be them two, and you're gonna go against.
Then ready, Mo? Ready? First Bible verse is 1 Peter chapter 1, verse 5. Chapter 1, verse 5. 1 Peter chapter 1, verse 5.
1 Peter chapter 1, verse 5. Boy tuniete.
Chú an chia biak na chú pathian kha nan zoom cha le khap nak aphak tlan tiang ama thon nak ni an hu phen cha na cha asi chú ara ding mi khap nak chú atu zong a hin tem chia asi go chang I chan dong te ka phwan asi tela
Amhan!
Okay. Boy tuniete. Tutu. Lin the Chris and the Zomtong La. Okay.
Okay. Ready? Philippi chapter 1, verse 7. Ooh. Come on. Philippi chapter 1, verse 7.
Is it this one? Philippi chapter 1, verse 7, right? Ka makar nan I dan zung zao go hi bantuk nan zunga wungtin kangay hi akangay shrimp ok asigo. Titadia nan kadu tuk shring shran I tong I ka tlak asiset. Leng I alwat asiset tong ta ka aman I bitak I asi. Then Kachim nagrian kan nan kan bon zung zao.
Amhan! Wow, and now ponente na here. Okay. Second game can talk to la. Wait, okay.
What do you guys think our next game would be?
Ready? A second game atun cup kanya la ye. Minong panhian umla. And we're gonna say a body part, and we're gonna say cup. And whoever grabs the cup first wins.
So we'll be saying random body parts, and whoever touches the cup first wins.
Nubulea kanola. Who should we call? Nubu. Who's Nubulea? Who's Nubu?
Just look that side. Just look that side. Ooh, do you want to go that?
Ganu Loranu. Okay, and who else?
Ba.
Ba.
Hold on, can
Ba.
Timrila. Kapabed?
Oh. Okay. Kahit na di lai.
So,
Okay. Ready mo?
cup kan gakan, na tong how cup. The cup,
Nandito ko lang.
cup kan tilong le cup kiti, tikin lak how, na tong atun azalo, na lak how. Okay, wait, alaya ka siya how. Okay.
Ready? Then ready mo? Nanhar, nake, napo, nakut, nalu, cup! Wow.
Okay.
Ready?
Kapabed ni,
1-0.
one,
Ready?
5 tiang. Pangatiang ang
Pangatiang?
tola, pangatiang.
Okay, ready?
Okay, 1 point ng wanang 8, la kunulo ng ka 0. Pangatiang ang tola, 5 point tiang.
Namit, nanar, nalu, naka, nakapo, nake, nakut, cup! Oh. Ready? 1-1, 1-1.
1-1, anatlok.
Ready? 2-1. Ready? Then ready mo? Then ready? Tak mo? Ready? Nalu, nasam, nake, naka, nakut, napo, nake, napo, nake. Hey, no cheating. Ngalo.
Okay,
Ready?
1-1, Timri, 1-1.
Ready? -1.
Oh, -1. -1.
Ready? Napo, nake, nakut, nanar, cup.
Okay. Kunulora
Ready?
ni 2 points, and then kapabed ni 0. -1 na ka. Are you sure? Okay, then 1-2.
Okay. Nakuk, nake, nalu, ntakak, napo, namalu, cup. Okay, 2-2. 2-2. Final? Okay, final. Ready? Then ready mo. Namor, nanar, naha, naka, nalu, napo, nake, cup. Oh! Kanulor nune ate. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hold on.